Hi guys, it's William. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my first recipe for Christmas this year and in this channel. Today we are going to make gingerbread men, and this recipe is very easy. You're gonna see how wonderful they look and also taste with an amazing spicy and molassy flavor in them. So let's start with the cookie recipe. I'm going to start off by creaming my butter, which is at room temperature, with my brown sugar. I'm also going to add some vanilla and then some molasses. You can definitely use some honey if you don't like molasses. And then I will mix that up for about 1 minute on high speed. Perfect, so my mix is looking wonderful and very light. Now I'm going to add 1 egg and mix again. For my dry ingredients, of course, I'm going to use some all-purpose flour, to which I'm going to add some baking soda. Then I'm going to add some ground cinnamon, ground ginger, cloves, and then whole spice. And finally, I will add some pepper, so ground black pepper. This goes very well with gingerbread. And then I will mix my dry ingredients together and add them to the wet ingredients. Perfect, so my batter is now combined, so I'm going to divide it into 2 and then wrap each bowl in plastic wrap. And then I will let my dough rest in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. It is best to do it overnight, as I will do for this video, and then we will bake our cookies. So my cookie dough has been chilling in the fridge overnight and it's looking fabulous. Now I'm going to work it on my floured surface, and I'm going to use a rolling pin to roll it out. And I'm going to roll it on my floured surface until I have the perfect thickness. Great, now using a cookie cutter, I'm going to shape my gingerbread men, and then I will put each of them on my baking sheet covered with parchment paper. My gingerbread men are almost ready. I'm going to just put them in the fridge once again for about 30 minutes just to firm them up, and then we will bake them and finally decorate them. My gingerbread men are cooling at room temperature, so it is now time to make some royal icing. And I'm going to mix together an egg white with icing sugar and also vanilla extract until I have the perfect consistency. It's possible that I will add some water just to make sure that the consistency is thick but still runny. My royal icing is looking perfect, so now I'm going to divide it in 3 and I'm going to color it in red and green, and then we will finally be able to decorate our cookies. So my cookies were very easy to make. The only difficult part in this recipe is the decorating, but honestly you don't have to make it very perfect looking as it is homemade. And if you want to do it with your kids, it's a perfect opportunity to have fun in the kitchen. So please make this recipe. You can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below this video, as well as the social media where to follow me, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I will see you next time for another amazing Christmas recipe. Bye!